So this one is an assignment which is related to waves, and it's with the answer key. So after every question, you will find the answers. We have discussed the first two questions, so I will start with question 3. Question 3, an advertisement of for an active noise cancellation headset for aircraft pilots contain the following information. Requires a 9V battery, active noise attenuation over 20 to 800 hertz, rubber rubberized foam ear cups. Explain the physics principle in each statement of this advertisement. You could start by saying why a battery is required and go on to explain how the noise is attenuated, or how noise cancel, and it's of 6 marks. So you have to explain the idea or the concept of the noise cancellation, like including how, like the overall working of a noise cancellation headphones. So first, what is the purpose of a battery, a 9-volt battery? So a 9-volt battery is actually, because it means there's an electrical circuit is connected. So 9-volt battery is there, which is used for electrical circuit, and to required for the electrical circuit, like example for a microphone or a speaker, you can also mention that. Then what is the use of these rubberized foam cups, ear cups? So what is a rubber or a foam? They are good absorber. So rubberized foam or ear cups, what they will do, they're good material. They can absorb greater amount of energy, and they also have a large surface. And then the active noise attenuation, what will happen? Active noise attenuation means what it will do. First, it will pick up the noise or take the noise from the microphone, and then it produce a wave in opposite direction. Like it pick up the noise from the microphone, and then it produce a wave in opposite direction or anti-phase, and this anti-phase wave will cancel out or minimize the noise, and the range at which it work, that range is given. It can work for the frequency or a vibration from 20 hertz to 800 hertz, means the normal low conversation sound or noise, it can low frequency sound, it can easily pick up. So the structure of the answer, the 9-volt battery is used electrical circuit, example the mic and the speakers. Then what is the advantage of the rubberized foam cups? They are good absorber, and we'll have a large area, so absorb greater amount of energy, which minimize the sound or the noise. Then active noise attenuation, how it is done, or noise cancellation. It produce, first it detect the noise captured by the microphone, because the mic will detect that noise and produce wave 180 out of phase to cancel that. So that's how the marks are distributed. 2 marks for mentioning the battery, 2 marks for the foam cup, and 2 marks for attenuation. Is it clear? The second part, a student asks the following questions. If a sound is being introduced to cancel out the noise, then where does the energy go? What is the explanation? The student was asking, if a sound being introduced to cancel out the noise, then where does the energy is going? Like what is the change in the energy or what happened? Because so what happened to this energy? So mainly like when it is cancelling out this energy, some of the noise is dissipated as air in the form of heat or in the foam, you can also say, or it also increases the kinetic energy, or some places will have a constructive interference, so more intensity will be there, that you can mention. Or the best answer, some of the, like it is transformed in the form of heat or internal energy to air and the foam. That is what happened to that noise. Like if a sound is being introduced to cancel out the noise, then where does the energy goes? So the energy actually, the kinetic energy will increase for the particles, or the temperature of the air will also increase. That we will mention. Is it clear, this one?